Howdy! Right, another evening and more time to play with the bike. Now, the plan this evening initially is to try and move this stuck bolt, and to that end I have got myself a blow lamp. EN417 is the spec of this cartridge for this blow lamp. Never used one before, should be exciting. I've had a little cursory glance at the instructions. I should take more than a cursory glance. I push this down hard into the cartridge top until something clicks, and then I screw these two together. Okay. Oh yeah, bottom is screwing on now. Can't hear anything. Sorry, I held it close to my face to see if it could. I'll show you what I was doing. No, we're good. Before I started, I made sure the little adjuster was fully clockwise, which is the off position. Let's see if I can hear something if I start to turn it on. Oh yeah, you heard something all right. Why? Let's go at it and see what it does. I don't know how long I need to hold this in this position for. Yeah, I don't know how long it needs, so let's just see if anything's happening yet. Doesn't look like it. No. I don't think it's moved at all. I can't get the buggers in there. Oh, son of a bitch. I can't get enough grip with these mole grips. That is not really working. Not working at all. I thought I'd try a different idea, which isn't also going to work. I thought I'd try to just get a G-clamp on there. That is wider than the bolt at the end you can't see. This is very unlikely to work, but since banging it out isn't working, I just wondered what would happen if I just try and force it out. No, it's kind of gone very stiff. Not convinced. I think I'm on the frame possibly. I wonder if anything's actually happening, or whether something's about to catastrophically snap and remove an eyeball. God, that, ow! Hurt my arm and bent this pole. Doesn't look like it's gone in at all, to be honest with you. Look at the state of this now. Oh, let's loosen it and see if it's made any difference. I don't think it's moved any. Doesn't seem to be having the desired effect. Ow! My arm. I think my arm's going to give way. Oh, now we've screwed it. It's I've bent the post so much it won't go through the hole anymore. Oh, there you go. Did it move? Doesn't feel like it moved at all. Have I got horrible marks on the outside? It indicates I got caught. Not really. Can you believe this mother hubbard? You might recall that I broke off a stud or a bolt extractor on this end. So I think I've got kind of hardened metal on this side. It's not just the bolt material. But what I could do is see if I can drill from the opposite side. Drill through. And then collapse the bolt that way somehow. I don't know how. Yeah, I have. I can't remember. It's only from Silverline. No offense, Silverline, but I don't think they're the most expensive brand in the world. Cobalt drill bits. Now, what I'll do, I'll drill from this side because this is the only side I can easily access at the moment, and just see if anything magical happens. Try and give you a bit of light. Well, that's a good start. That is actually drilling through really easily. I need my safety goggles. Yes, no, it's not getting anywhere. It is not going to give me the clearance I need to drill from the other side. Straight. So that's not going to work. What I might end up doing is, wait for it, what I might do is actually drill around the outside of the bolt. Maybe 8 holes, top, bottom, left, right, on the diagonals. So basically make this hole bigger, make this whole thing bigger. Drilling alongside the bolt might then loosen the hold of the corrosion, and I might be able to knock it out. Eventually, if I do knock it out, I'll round that bigger hole out and then come up with some sort of spacer to take up the slack or the difference. So I might actually just try that now. Right, we are through. Doesn't look great. Doesn't feel like anything's happening. Any luck, really? But I think find or buy more drill bits, keep drilling holes around the outside of that bolt. Eventually it must give way. And I'll speak to you soon. I can't help myself. I can't stop. I'm just going to have another go with the other G-clamp that I haven't ruined. Why don't I just quit while I'm behind? Well. Oh my god. It's actually pushed through. It's pushed through. I've actually got a bit of bolt showing on the left hand side. It's going! It's going! Yes! And let's see. I'll stay kind of in front of the, or behind, in front, behind. Get out of the way of that thing anyway. I think it's shifting. As I spin it, the handle, I think it is moving now. Right now it's moving. That is so sweet. That is so... I might have run out of room now. It might have been pushing against the actual frame now. Let's see what we've got, shall we? What we got? What we got? Oh! Look at it! Look at it! Yes! Have some of that, you utter gimp. Ah, yes. Right, hopefully I can knock that out now. Don't know how much effort this is going to require. Look at the dust suddenly as it's all starting to shift. You see that dust flying off? It's like, yeah, we're giving up people. Oh my. I'll present it to the camera. Hopefully you can see that. Alright. You are the cause of unending stress. Wow, I've really hurt that mount. Hurt it good. Good! Yes! Come on! I got you. Got you. Not you, sorry. Don't mean to scare you. I got you. Well, I'm glad I didn't give up. I'm glad I didn't wait till tomorrow now for the other drill bits to arrive. So the plan worked. Drill around the outside of the bolt, ruin the engine mount, and then worry about trying to solve that or fix that later. What I think I'll end up doing, I don't know, I'm miles away from a solution at this point, but I might have to drill out to the outer extents of the holes I made, make this hole bigger by that additional little distance there, then put a spacer in. Probably have to get one made up, or try and find a pre-built spacer that has the right inner diameter and a close to outer diameter to this, and then drill it to fit, drill it to suit. I just don't know. All I know is that I'm beyond relieved. I'm beyond happy that I finally got that bolt out. Right, I'll celebrate with a cup of tea. So that's it for tonight probably, but I'm so excited I might just stay here and just stare. Still got to bleed the back brake. Now I've remembered how to bleed brakes. What a knob. And torque up back end, torque up the front end, and I also need to secure the fuel pump. Yes, you. Need to get you somehow in location near where you used to be. But now finally, finally got that off. I'm smiling goofily right now. Anyway, bye.